Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these Death by Chocolate cookies. Let's begin. To start on the cookies, you'll want to grab yourself a large mixing bowl, and into your mixing bowl place your butter, light brown sugar and granulated white sugar, and beat them together until lighter and fluffier. Around 5 to 7 minutes should be ideal. Once your mixture is lighter and fluffier, you can then go ahead and add in your eggs one at a time, beating well in between each addition, and not forgetting to add in your vanilla as well, as we do want to add the vanilla as it just works as a base flavour and enhances that chocolate flavour within the cookies. Mix until your eggs and vanilla are fully incorporated, then go ahead and give your bowl a good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on, around the side, the top and the bottom of the bowl. You can then add in the dry ingredients, which are the flour, baking powder and salt, followed by the chocolate chips, and mix on a low speed to start with, working your way up to a medium high. You may have noticed I forgot to add the cocoa powder, so when it comes to adding your cocoa powder, add it in with the dry ingredients at the start and not afterwards like I'm going to. Just a top tip for you. Don't forget to give your bowl another good scraping down. This is just to incorporate any bits that may not have been fully worked in from earlier on. You can then go ahead and take a cookie scoop or an ice cream scoop, whichever you have, which is this size, and then scoop up generous amounts of the cookie dough and place them onto a baking tray, onto a standard size baking tray. I get around 6 cookies, as these do flatten and spread a little when they're in the oven. But you'll just want to repeat the process until you've used up all of your cookie dough. The cookie dough freezes as well. All of the information you will need will be on a blog post, which will be linked down below. Then onto the top of each cookie, you can go ahead and add on some chocolate. I'm adding these little chocolate ghosts I got from a supermarket, but feel free to add whatever you would like on top. You don't have to, but these are Death by Chocolate, so the little ghost chocolate is quite fitting. And I also use these bogey buttons from the same supermarket. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again very soon with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias, so don't forget to go and follow me over on those. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.